It's like Christmas here. This is like gonna be the best like clip because you guys see how disco ball lights are just gonna look at my room? This is why you need to build one. Because look at this. Look at that. Hello, I'm literally sitting in such a weird spot in my room. You'll probably never ever see me film here again. I'm making a disco ball chandelier. Don't know how I came up with this concept, but like, okay, here's the top, right? This circle thing from Hobby Lobby, and I got this wire from Hobby Lobby too. So we got 2 more for the next 2 layers. Oh, apparently, just kidding. Apparently, I have 3 more. Ow. And then I got a pack of mini disco balls from Amazon. I thought I was just going to be able to like flip it in. Nope, does not even fit. So I kind of have to like cut them all and then retie them, which is also why I couldn't do this at my last house because I had nails. So much more work if I have to watch me just like have to speed up this whole thing. I guess I'll just cut it. I wish I had something to like hang this on. Just whipped it out. It's pretty smart, I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea how many I'm doing. I think I should tie it tight, to be honest, just so that it stays. Oh yeah, it's gonna stay wherever I tie it. Perfect, that is what we like to see. And this, like this wiring looks pretty. Like just coiled and wrapped around there. And then I'm just taking the scissors and like running it like that. And literally simply just tying knots. I'm doing it like 3 or 4 knots so it doesn't come undone. If it does, you know, worst case scenario, you could always just buy some string and like retie them. But this string seems to be durable. I think these are ornaments. I need to add some YouTube monetized fucking background music. No offense, but if you have big fingers, you cannot be making this. This is a baseball bat I'm holding this on, by the way. I don't know. Needed something for the moment. I actually have absolutely no idea how I'm hanging this on my ceiling. Probably gonna get one of those like plant hanger things from the ceiling to just hook this. Because obviously that holds this very well. I still have 2 more layers. Maybe 3, hopefully. Questionable on how many disco balls I have left. That size. I kind of have to like somehow that works. Great. Everything is falling.
Here we go.
No, everything is falling. Guys, this is a lot more challenging to do and record, but it's okay, I'll do it for you.
That's it.
Kidding, I got all this stuff at Joann's. DARI 3-inch gold ring, 12-inch gold ring, 6-inch gold ring, and 10-inch gold ring. This is the Fab 20 gauge gold wire. in case you want to get to the exact stuff. But like if you wanted to do all silver, like my room is just gold, which is why I chose gold and silver, because I also like, I don't know, I think I have some silver in my room. But like you can really do any color. You could get colored disco balls if your room has a color. To be honest, I'm just gonna like, I guess that works because it's not you need something to hang this on while you're tying it. I don't know what, but figure it out better than I have. Somehow working for me now. Thank you. Appreciate it. Again, I'm just guesstimating with this wire, but I am doing it over every, so like see, I did this here and then I skipped one. Wrapping it around. Never tie it. I just make sure it's like as tight as it could possibly be once I get the last little thing around, which is sharp, but it's fine. Which again, same method, just tie it as tight as you can. Three or four times. Water break, everyone chug. But yeah, I'm doing the same method. Sorry if you can't see, I'm gonna fast forward most of it anyway. But yeah, just telling you the basic ideas, and sorry I don't have like a film person, nor do I know how to work a tripod. It's getting way hot in here, but I committed to this jacket. If I put it somewhere like in front of a window, it's gonna reflect all over my room, which would be fucking sick. My pillows, I have these pillows and they already reflect on my ceiling. Really cute. They're for my couch, which is this cheetah couch here that my shoes are under, which I want to wrap all of my shoes in wrapping paper so that they don't just look like that. But I haven't found the wrapping paper I want. I want tiger print and cow print and cheetah print, but I can't find any that's cute, so that's annoying. Let's turn this. Nobody play any games here. Woo! Thank you. You know the drill. Let's cut.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
If you wanted to make all of these even and not, like, you know, you care more than I do, just like measure them out. Cut like 3 the same way and then like wrap them around. I should have done that, thinking about it now, but I really just don't, like, it's whatever. Yep, backwards wrapping, people, works. Now for the final side of the second row. I only have 2 left. That looks good. Whoa, I didn't even do that. I need to go get more disco balls and something to hang this from the ceiling with. I'm back with 2 more packs of disco balls, except they're literally not the same size. I don't understand because I ordered the same package off of Amazon. So like, what's up with that? Same order. I think I just cut that, but what? That is not the same size. So right now I'm just getting the wire out for the next round, using 3 wires again. This time I'm gonna cut them all the same length, so, you know, thinking ahead this time. The more you know, but now I know for you guys, so you guys don't have to make the same mistake. I'm not pre-cutting them all the same length. Again, just twirling it around, not even counting as I should be counting. But you know the drill. Just go as you please. When it feels sturdy to you, it's probably sturdy.
Merry little Christmas.
Balance is key, homie. Tie these, but it's worse because there's less strings on these, so yikes. Just order whatever size disco balls you want. It's gonna look good no matter what. See, I'm not tripping because I'm doing the smaller ones on the lower layers, but then I'm probably gonna put smaller ones in between because I don't like the space. If you like the space, do whatever you desire to do. Who in the world? Sure.
Life is Good sent me a package and I didn't even know they were sending one. And it came with so much stuff. With this hat, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm gonna literally wear this on the lake all the time because it'll actually stay on. I live a positive lifestyle. So cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so great. Oh my gosh. The camera's dying. Oh my god, it's a long sleeve. I love this. Thank you. Oh, one more. Oh my god, it's another long sleeve. Stay positive. I love this. Thank you so much. Life is Good. I was not expecting this. I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna wear these all the time.
Hi. I'm quite literally working on like 7 million projects at one time. Figured out how to hang this up. Only took me a day of creativity, okay? Okay. Why is this not even? I don't understand. We have some other crafts going on here. I'm wrapping my shoe boxes in wrapping paper so that they look cute. Because I don't like them looking not cute, you know? Anyway, just woke up. Lovely bed ahead. Also, my room going crazy right now. I don't even have a light on in my room right now. Like, this is just natural light. And it's funny because the other day I was like, my room's dark. Now, I don't know, the light just comes through all of a sudden. Love that for me. I've looked like 3 different people the whole time I filmed this video. 4 probably, because I started it in Arizona. But you know what? We're gonna finish this disco ball chandelier no matter how many takes it gets. I'm actually gonna finish it today or else I'm gonna throw it away. So, just kidding, I wouldn't throw it away. It's so bright in my eyes. It's actually not a good time to work on the disco ball chandelier. Oh, I forgot this was recording. I quite literally forgot this was recording. It's just great lighting. I don't know. These disco balls give off that ring lighting mood. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day. Oh yeah, Life is Good gave me this jacket. They just sent me a whole box full of stuff. Thank you guys so much. I had no idea that they were even sending it to me. I'm so thankful. It's literally so cozy. Just to say thank you. Has nothing to do with this video. Absolutely not sponsored. They genuinely just sent me it because they're nice people. This is just gonna take time, but in the end, it'll be worth it because it'll be so cute. I'm over it. I'm so over it. Me, every time I fucking try and work on this chandelier. It takes time. A lot of it. A lot of patience is what this little thingamabob requires. Like, I might need to put a light on soon. But like still. Oh, I can't reach it. You guys like my attempt to reach my light? Such an attempt, huh? Okay, someone on TikTok posted, or YouTube, whatever, that their camera kept turning off. Mine started doing that when I watched their video. And now... What? Oh my goodness! Gosh! Look at how falling this is. This is not something that's gonna travel well. So when I move, if anyone wants it, comment. Y'all know I'm gonna move soon. Always do. Nah, but the next time I move, I'm probably like, I'm not here. So what ended up working to hold this is I just stacked a bunch of pillows and blankets on top of each other, but my blankets are heavy. And shoved a bat under it. It's hanging off the bat. Look, if you're gonna be creating things, you gotta be creative, and created them. Oh god, my camera's dying. Bitch, don't die on me. So anyway, whatever you do today, if you don't do this, if you watch this and you decided, nope, that looks like a lot of work, it is. You know what? Do something crafty today, okay? Okay. Because look, this is sideways now. I'm scared for how it's gonna hang on my ceiling, but it'll make my room look rad. That's all that matters. And I made it. And you know what? It's gonna turn out great, even though it's slanting right now. It's gonna all balance out because life always does, right? Yeah, motivational. Oh my god, this is literally the worst way to pack up disco balls. Again, do not order disco balls off of Amazon. Just don't. Anyway, here's what this does to my room. Okay, why are you being like lopsided again? There you go. You just wrap these around. You know what to do by this point. It's really simple. I'm not trying to make it complicated for anyone. Holy wow. Okay, is this your way of telling me not to add a third one? Fourth one? Fuck. Thank you for watching me make this disco ball chandelier. I hope you make one too. It's fucking rad. And if you do, just use a bat on your bed and don't try and set it up any place else. So I got these from like Ace, whatever, hardware. And he was like, yeah, like you're not hanging anything heavy, right? And I was like, I mean, I don't really think it's heavy. I don't really even think it's more than 10 pounds. So just a screw it in the wall. Hell yeah. You don't have to wear your mask in here.
Thank you.